The Prohibition of Benami Property Transactions Act, 1988, PBPT Act, was introduced to stop people from hiding ownership of property and avoiding taxes. It targets situations where a property is bought in someone else's name, but the actual payment is made by another person. The real owner remains hidden, which often helps in hiding illegal wealth. The act makes it illegal to enter into such transactions or to transfer property back to the person who paid for it. Anyone involved in a Benami transaction cannot claim rights over such property in court. The government can take over the property without giving any money in return to the person in whose name the property is held. The law applies to all types of property, movable or immovable, where someone pays but registers it under another person's name. Important terms include Benami transaction, which refers to a deal where the property is in one name but paid for by someone else. Benamidar, the person in whose name the property is kept. And beneficial owner, the person who pays and actually uses the property. The law strictly bans entering into or reversing any Benami transaction. Legal actions to claim such property are not allowed. To make the law work, certain officers are appointed the initiating officer, approving authority, administrator, and adjudicating authority. These officers have the power to investigate and attach suspicious properties. There is also a tribunal to hear appeals if anyone disagrees with the confiscation. If someone breaks the law, they can go to jail for up to 3 years and may have to pay a fine of up to 25% of the property's value. Once a property is confiscated, it becomes government property and no compensation is given. This summary explains the purpose, rules, enforcement, and penalties of the PBPT Act in simple terms for clear understanding.